Buy. To purchase. I want to buy a book. By. Near or through. Sit by me. Bye. Goodbye. Say bye to your friend. Peace. Calm, no fighting. We want peace in the world. Piece. A part of something. Give me a piece of cake. Flower. A plant. This flower smells nice. Flour. Used for cooking. Add flour to the bowl. Sea. Large water body. The sea looks blue. See. To look. I can see you. Blue. A color. She likes blue dresses. Blue. Past of blow. The wind blew hard. Meat. Food from animals. I don't eat meat. Meet. To see someone. Let's meet tomorrow. Weak. Not strong. I feel weak today. Week. 7 days. This week was busy. Knight. Soldier in old times. The knight was brave. Night. Opposite of day. Good night. Hole. An opening. There is a hole in the wall. Whole. Complete. I ate the whole pizza. Mail. Letters. I got your mail. Male. Opposite of female. The male teacher is kind. Break. To stop or damage. Take a short break. Brake. Stops a vehicle. Press the brake. Stair. Steps. Go up the stairs. Stare. Look for long time. Don't stare at people. Board. Flat piece or group. Write on the board. Bored. Not interested. I'm bored at home. There. Shows ownership. This is their house. There. Talks about a place. Put the bag there. There. Short form of they are. They're happy today. Your. Shows ownership. This is your phone. Your. Short form of you are. You're very kind. Two. Shows direction or action. I am going to school. Two. Means also or very. I like it too. Two. The number 2. I have 2 brothers. Hear. To listen. Can you hear me? Here. This place. Come here, please. Write. To use a pen or type. Please write your name. Right. Correct or direction. Your answer is right. Weather. Sun, rain, cold, etc. The weather is nice today. Weather. Choice or condition. I don't know whether to go or stay. Son. A male child. Her son is very smart. Sun. The star in the sky. The sun is bright. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.